Their Zoo Licensing Act of 1981 defines zoos as establishments where wild animals are kept for exhibition which the public has access to, and in recent years, they emphasize the buyer's mission statements of recreation, education, conservation, and research. This video focuses on education at Twycross Zoo, through the form of information boards and talks. Twycross Zoo in Leicestershire originally opened in 1963 and is a specialist primate centre. It has an award-winning education program increasing awareness and understanding about animals and their difficulty in numbers in the wild. Approximately 25,000 take part in the education workshops the zoo provides, like its conservation and zoo clubs, and its zoo ranger club. These initiatives have led to Twycross Zoo earning the LOTC badge and the Buyer Zoo Award for the Career Days education program. One method of education at Twycross was the use of signs which include useful information on the animal's natural habitat, diet, and average height, weight and lifespan. Also, maps of the distribution of the animals were used to further educate, and signs with facts such as the elephants being able to communicate through their feet made learning more attractive for children. On the other hand, some signs were too high for children to read, and the conservation shack signs were on small sheets located far from the gibbon forest, lacking coherence with the information. Other signs lacked attention-grabbing features and had large paragraphs of texts. Another is through daily talks on the animals, like Humboldt penguin talks giving information on poaching and overfishing but were not linked to the zoo's conservation efforts. Visitors were then able to feed the penguins fish, making their experience and education more memorable. The evidence therefore suggests that Twycross Zoo is fit for purpose because it meets the buyer's emissions statements and effectively educates children in conservation and biodiversity. However, there are many criticisms of zoos and their practices, such as problems associated with the psychological welfare and abnormal behaviors of animals within zoos, identified by Morris and Meyerhoff. Furthermore, zoos may not be fit for purpose because they have small sample sizes of species, inexperienced keepers, and there may be a lack of communication between zookeepers and research centers such as universities. Moreover, there may be alternative approaches to zoos and their role in education, such as using videos and interactive zoos to send clear messages without involving the animals themselves.